Hello, in front of me I've got GameSir Super Nova. In this video I'll show you how to calibrate control sticks. To calibrate control sticks on Nintendo Switch, let's go to System Settings. Scroll down and go to Controllers and Sensors, Calibrate Control Sticks. Enter it, and now tilt and hold stick you wish to calibrate. Now, calibrate and push the stick towards triangle and release. Now rotate it and the calibration is complete. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.